Away they go. Strategic Manila from the outside. One slot, number 9, Conqueror. Followed by Dragon Maiden on the inside. Rushing up is Billy the Kid, My Hermes, Hero's Honor, to Infinity and Beyond. Then comes Senyales, Show Me Magic, down on the inside. Brad. And on the outside is Hero's Honor, Panamera, Niagara Boogie, and Conqueror. And rounding the far turn, Strategic Manila, Dragon Maiden on the inside is Honor Class. And at the far turn, it's still Dragon Maiden on the outside, Strategic Manila, Honor Class, Show Me Magic, also rushing up at the center as they race the last 400. It's Dragon May, Show Me Magic down on the inside, but still Dragon May the leader, followed by Show Me Magic, and ring the finish line. Better go down and collect number 6 Dragon May, Show Me Magic. Close.